this last part is about the uses of quadratic equation expansion and algebraic rule. Okay, so if you see that 69 is a very big number and you have 29 there, okay, you can use your calculator again, go to mode 3 for fx 95 or mode 522 for fx 97. 2 is your A, 29 is your B, and 69 is your C. After keying these three numbers in, you got x equals to -3. You can write this on your right side, okay? X equals to -3. I bring the -3 over, so this means that it's x plus 3. So your 2x squared plus 29x plus 69, the first bracket is x plus 3. Okay? The second bracket would be x equals to -23 over 2. So x equals to -23 over 2. Multiply by 2 first to make it linear. -23, 2x plus 23 equals, okay, would be your second bracket. Okay, work smart, we can use the calculator to help us to find the two factorized form. Okay, so they say that hence find the factors of 22,969. Okay, you realize that 22,969. Let's put it in the form of this, and this. Okay, is equals to, now I may not know what's the first, but I know that the last guy is 69. That means the 10th place is already out. Okay, you realize that 69 and this guy is here. 29 and 29 is here. So 29, this is in the thousands place, so it will be 2,900, and then the first one will be 20,000. Okay, and 20,000 is 2 times 1,000. 2,900 is 29 times 100. 69. Okay, and how is this relatable to this? Because 10,000 is 100 squared plus 29 times 100 plus 69. So you can see that x be equals to 100. Okay, we have to relate the question to the first part if it's a hence kind of question. So the question asks us to break them up into two factors already. So I already know that my 100 is the x. Okay, so I put it in, I will have 100 plus 3, 2 and 200 plus 23. So this will be equals to 103 multiplied by 223. So these are the factors are 103 to 23. Okay, always relate back to the first part of the question in this kind of hence question. 4x squared minus 9 is algebraic rule number. By the end of this video, you should have already known that this will be 2x plus 3, because 4x squared is 2x the whole thing squared, 2x minus 3. Okay, so question wants me to find 391. Relate to the question, 391 is equals to, now 391, very suspicious this number. The closest I can get is 400 minus 9. And it's always, you see, related, right? 400 minus 9. 400 is 4 times 10 squared minus 9. I am relating him to him. And in this case, this means that my x is equals to 10. So this will be 2 plus 3. I put the x equals to 10 into the x, this is the x, right? Yeah, into this. And 2 bracket 10 minus 3. So my two factors will be 23 and 17. Okay? And these two very common questions, find n square using algebraic rule, and usually they will say without using calculator. So n square means 1204 square is equals to 1200 plus 4 square. This is algebraic rule number 1. Please do not forget your 2AB. Okay, so this will be 144 with 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros plus 2 times 4, 8. Okay. 2 times 4, 8. 8 times 12 will be 9600 plus 16. And because it is easy to add, so the answer will be 144, 96, and 16. Okay? And when do you use rule 2 and rule 1? So if it's less than 5, we will use plus. If it's more than 5, we will use minus. So this guy would be equals to 310 minus 1 square. Okay, and this okay. Now, in fact, we should not use 310 minus 1 square for this because it's hard to find the square of 310 without using calculator. So we cannot use it. We should use 300 plus 9 square. Okay? And this will be equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. And that will give me 234 plus 2 times 3, 6, 6 times 9, 54. Okay, 00 plus 81. Then the answer will just be 9, 5, 4, and then 81. Okay, but if let's say the question is like, you know, 199 square, then we will use 200 minus 1 square. But because at first we can try to write this down first at 310 minus 1 square, then you realize that 310 square is very hard to find. So don't use that, use 200 plus 9, it's perfectly okay. Okay, so here's the end of this playlist. I hope that you have learned something new, or it gives you a refresh you on what are the things you need to take note in terms of algebra. Okay, and hope you can secure the marks that you needed for your exam. Good luck.